Hey guys, so it's Caleb over at Orlando Harley-Davidson South. Today we have the 2021 Fat Bob 114. This bike comes in 3 different colors. This one happens to be Billiard red. It also comes in denim deadwood green and vivid black. You know, can never go wrong with a black Harley. So this bike, as I said, it comes with your big 114 Milwaukee 8 motor. It gives you plenty of torque out on the highway, plenty of power around town. You know, it's a great ripping bike. This bike, it also comes with your forward controls from the factory. Gives you a little bit more of a comfortable seating position. Your legs aren't as tight into you. You don't get as many, cramps and stuff like that. So this bike, being a softail, actually comes with your big monoshock suspension in the rear. It's fully adjustable by this knob here. You twist it one way, stiffen the preload, twist it the other, soften preload. It's great to make the bike ride how you want it to feel. This bike, it also comes with your big fat 150 tire up front. That's great for if you're on the highways, you hit some potholes, that bike's gonna stay straight. It's not gonna track to those lines or anything like a skinnier tire would. This bike comes with your 3.6 gallon fuel tank. So you're still able to go on those longer, trips. You get about 150 miles to a tank, depending on your riding style. So it has an analog RPM gauge, but it has your digital speedometer, odometer, fuel gauge. It has trip A, B. It has all kinds of awesome technologies in that you're able to customize fully. From the factory, the Fat Bob actually comes with your high flow air filter. So all you gotta do, throw you a set of slip-ons on there, a tuner, you're already stage 1, ready to go. This bike, it also comes with your big rectangle headlight up front. It provides plenty of light for you to be able to see at nighttime. Also during the day, it's a big eye catcher, So this bike, it actually comes with your inverted front end, gives you a stiffer front end, more of a sportier feel. It also comes with your dual front disc brakes, full ABS, so your stopping power is really immense. You're able to stop super quick. This bike also comes with your 2-into-1-into-2 exhaust. These slip-ons, fully customizable like any Harley. So your Fat Bob from the factory actually comes with your 2-up seat as well as your passenger pegs down here. This bike comes with a 6-speed, so on the highway, I know the 6 speeds are really good. It's basically an overdrive, lowers your RPMs, raises your fuel mileage and everything. All right, guys, so that was our overview for the 2021 Fat Bob 114. Make sure to like and subscribe. Again, my name was Caleb over at Orlando Harley-Davidson South. So come by and see me, take one out for a test ride.